Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce inflammation with Turmeric Gold detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by introducing the benefits of turmeric. Highlight that turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Explain why inflammation is a concern for overall health. Introduce Turmeric Gold as a concentrated form of turmeric. Explain how to choose a high-quality Turmeric Gold product. Encourage viewers to read labels for purity and curcumin content. Emphasize the importance of pairing turmeric with black pepper. Mention that piperine, found in black pepper, enhances curcumin absorption. Suggest starting with a small dosage, such as half a teaspoon. Instruct viewers to gradually increase the dosage based on their tolerance. Guide viewers on how to mix Turmeric Gold into drinks. Recommend adding it to smoothies or warm milk for a tasty option. Stress the importance of staying hydrated while taking turmeric. Advise viewers to monitor their bodies for any reactions. Encourage consistency for optimal results, aiming for daily use. Mention incorporating turmeric in cooking for added benefits. Suggest adding it to soups, stews, or veggie dishes. Note that lifestyle factors also play a role in inflammation. Encourage regular physical activity and a balanced diet. Remind viewers to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Reiterate that Turmeric Gold can be a valuable tool in reducing inflammation. Finish by encouraging viewers to make informed choices for their health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.